Have mercy upon us, O Lord, the God of all. Make all the nations fear you. Punish the foreign nations, and let them see your power. Use them to show your glory to us, just as you have used us to show your holiness to them. Let them know, as we have known, that there is no God besides you, O Lord. Give new signs and work other miracles, showing the glory of your hand and right arm. Stir up your anger and pour out your wrath. Destroy the adversary and crush the enemy. Remember the time appointed for this, and make it come quickly. Let people recount your mighty deeds. Let those who escape be consumed in fiery wrath, and let those who oppress your people be destroyed. Crush the heads of hostile rulers who say, "We are the only ones who matter." Gather all the tribes of Jacob, and give them their inheritance as you did at the beginning. Show mercy to the people called by your name, on Israel, whom you have made your firstborn. Have pity on the city of your sanctuary, Jerusalem, the place where you reside. Fill Zion with praise for your wonderful deeds, and fill your temple with your glory. Acknowledge those you created in the beginning, and fulfill the prophecies spoken in your name.